Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to get a Robinhood debit card. If you're into investing, managing your finances, or just want a no-fee card with some awesome perks, Robinhood is a game changer. Let's break this down step by step so you can get started quickly. First off, what's Robinhood? It's a popular app that makes investing in stocks, crypto, and more accessible for beginners. Their debit card links directly to your account, offering features like instant deposits, cashback on purchases, and even ATM fee reimbursements. Pretty cool, right? Step 1. Download the Robinhood app. Head to your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play, and search for Robinhood. Download and install it for free. Step 2. Sign up for an account. Open the app and create a new account. You'll need to enter your email, set up a secure password, and verify your phone number. This only takes a couple of minutes. Step 3. Verify your identity. Robinhood prioritizes security, so they'll ask for some basic info like your social security number, date of birth, and address. This helps prevent fraud and is required for financial services. Step 4. Fund your account. Once verified, add money to your Robinhood account. You can link your bank account, transfer funds, or even deposit a check through the app. Aim for at least a small amount to get things rolling. Step 5. Apply for the debit card. In the app, navigate to the Card or Wallet section. It's usually easy to find. Request your card, and Robinhood will send it to your address. Approval is often quick if your account is in good standing. Finally, once your card arrives, activate it through the app and start using it right away. Remember, keep an eye on any eligibility requirements, like being a U.S. resident, and always monitor your account for security. There you have it. That's how to snag your Robinhood debit card. It's a straightforward process that could simplify your financial life. If you have questions, check the app's Help Center. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you in the next video.